Our program concludes with Ramar Shabdam, composed by Kasinada Kavi, which is a rare and special piece in Bharatanatyam, performed by only a few. It is written in Telugu, set to Misra Chapatalam, and features a Ragamalika, where different ragas are used to enhance in the musical flow and emotional flow. This Shabdam focuses on Lord Rama, highlighting his virtues, such as his courage, righteousness, and compassion. It starts with swarams, which showcase rhythmic movement, and then moves into the sahityam, where the dancers use expressions, or abhinaya, to tell stories from Rama's life. The recital then draws to a close with the Mangalam, the traditional benediction that marks the auspicious conclusion of every Bharatanatyam performance. After Mangalam, our shining stars will receive recognition and blessings from the dignitaries. As you depart, we warmly invite you to accept the snacks sponsored by Desi District, lovingly offered by 5 of our young dancers as a token of gratitude for your presence today. Before leaving, please also take a moment to pen your wishes and blessings in A Journey Remembered, the keepsake book that placed at the front desk. Your kind words will remain a cherished memory for our dancers and their families. Thank you.
Tatayatay tatata tatayatay tatata dalangudom tadikinadom tadanata gana tajalu julu dimi tadana gana kita tadimi kita Sharada Rajakaraya Sakala Suramuni Narvada Stuti Ravikulopuvi Rajakarada Rajakaraya Matra Petra Bhagya Pare Palana Palana Matra Petra Bhagya Pare Palana Matra Petra Bhagya Pare Palana Kalangutom Kaviginadom Tadanata Gana Kajalu Jolu Dimi Tadana Gana Kita Tatin Dimi Kita Tatayatay Tatata Jatala Dogana Adarvino Pala Vedaliya Sogulu Kanta Kultamu Kanu Cheyo Presandama Kodanda Rama Jatala Dogana Adarvino Pala Vedaliya Sogulu Kanta Kultamu Kanu Cheyo Presandama Kodanda Rama ಕಟ್ಟಿಗಲ್ ಕೋಣ ದುಷ್ಟರ ಕುಂಭಕರ್ಣನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿ ವಿಭೀಷಣೋಗಿ ಪಟ್ಟವು ಕಟ್ಟಿದ ಅಯೋಧ್ಯ ರಾಮ ಕುಂಭಕರ್ಣನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿ ವಿಭೀಷಣೋಗಿ ಪಟ್ಟವು ಕಟ್ಟಿದ ಅಯೋಧ್ಯ ರಾಮ ಅಯೋಧ್ಯ ರಾಮ ಅಯೋಧ್ಯ ರಾಮ ಕಳಂಗುತೋ ಕದಿಗಿಡದು ಕದಣ ಕಲ್ಕಣ ಕದಣು ಗಣುಗಿಣಿ ಕದಣ ಗಣಗಿಟ ಕದಿಗಿಣಿಗಿಟ ಕತಯ ಕೈ ತತ್ತ ಗಂಧರ್ವಾದುಲು ಬ್ರೊಯಕ కవి జనాలు భోగే రాజరాజులు గంధర్వాదులు రోయక కవి జనాలు భోగే రాజరాజులు కాశీనాథుడు పొగడక ಪಗೂವಿ ಜಾಲಂಗರು ಗಗನ ಶೋಭನ ವಿರನು ಕಿಂಪಗ ದಿನ ರಕ್ಷಕು ದೈನ ರಾಮ ಜಾನಕಿ ಪಟ್ಟಾಭಿರಾಮ ದಿನ ರಕ್ಷಕು ದೈನ ರಾಮ ಜಾನಕಿ ಪಟ್ಟಾಭಿರಾಮ ಜಾನಕಿ ಪಟ್ಟಾಭಿರಾಮ ಜಾನಕಿ ಪಟ್ಟಾಭಿರಾಮ ಕತೆಯ ಕೈ ತತ್ತ
ಮನ ಸುತುಡು ಪಡು ಪಾದ ನೀರಾಮ ರೂಪ ಮುಲಕು ಮಂಗಳಂ ತಾದೇವ ನಯನ ತ್ಯಾಗರಾಜ ನಿನುತನೈನ ನೀನಾಮ ರೂಪ ಮುಲಕು ಮಂಗಳಂ ಮಸತೋ ಸತಮಯ ತಮಸೋ ಜ್ಯೋತಿರ್ಗಮಯ